Life Channel. Ngayon ay magluluto ako ng burong isda Kapampangan style. Halika na at samahan ninyo akong magluto. Ito ang iluluto ko ngayon pero I am going to start cooking now. Okay, let's start cooking. Okay, this is the ingredients of my fermented fish and rice. This is my fermented fish and rice right here. Ginger, matchstick slice, diced onions, garlic minced, and tomatoes, fish sauce, MSG, and cooking oil. Now let's start cooking. Okay, now we're gonna add the oil in the pan. Kind of generous with the oil. See, it's not yet. Okay, now we're gonna add the garlic. Saute the garlic. Igisa ang bawang. Igisa ang bawang until maluto. Until it gets brown. Okay, now we're gonna add the onions. And the ginger. Igisa until fragrant. We need to stir it until it gets fragrant. Fragrant and translucent. Smells good. I can smell the ginger. Now I'm gonna add tomatoes. Okay, the onion and the tomatoes and everything is soft. Okay, now we're gonna put the burong isda. Burong isda. Fish. Let it get soft, let it get cooked. Okay, let's put water. I forgot to take water. Then we put water. Add 1 cup of water. And I'm gonna simmer it for a while. Turn down the stove, turn down the heat, and let it simmer. Let me cover it. Cover it and simmer it. Medium heat. Okay, I need to add a little bit more water. Soupy. You add water as you desire.
Go through there and
cover it and then let it simmer. Let's check it. It smells like buro. Buro na amoy isda. Like I said, just add water. Just add more water if you think it is very thick for you. Dagdagan ng tubig kung masyadong malapot. So far, I add 1 3/4 cup of water. So, nagdagdag ako ng tubig, 1 cup at 3/4. And see, the fish is already breaking down now. Cook. Now I'm going to add fish sauce. I know the fermented fish and the fermented fish with rice has salt in it, but I need to add a little bit more saltiness. smells probably about like 1 tablespoon and something. And then add a dash or 2 dash of the MSG to make it tasty. Dagdagan ng betchin. Isang tak or dalawang tak. Then continue cooking until the fish it's 100% melted or hanggang malusaw ang fish. Iluto hanggang malusaw ang fish. Isda. Still have a little bit. Okay, simmer it for a little bit more in low heat. Cover it. Okay, now look, it's all combined and melted. The fish melted. Looks good. Oh look, I'm gonna try it. Left over in the spoon. Tastes good. I can taste the saltiness, the sour, fermented, and I can taste the fermented fish. It tastes good. Actually, it doesn't stink. It smells very bad because the fish is tilapia. It's not very fishy. Okay, thanks for watching. Yummy!